It's time for positive actions. Hola, es hora de acción positiva.
Mrs. Hott and
Miss Sheima,
we welcome you to our Positive Action weekly lesson.
la señora Hott y Sheima, os damos la bienvenida a las clases semanales de Positive Action.
Thank you all at home, school, and community for joining us today for our 5th grade Positive Action lesson.
Tanto si estáis en casa como en la escuela, gracias. Gracias por acompañarnos en los vídeos de acción positiva para quinto de primaria.
Let's get started!
¡Empecemos!
¡Empecemos!
Goodness, I can't wait to tell Sheima. I'm going to do this, and it's going to be so cool. Wait till Sheima and all the students see. Mrs. Hott has her phone, and I'm going to start a brand new TikTok. Here I go.
Wow!
TikTok, how does it work? Tick, tick.
Mrs. Hott, what is going on there?
Oh, hey, Miss Sheima. Hey, guess what I'm doing, Miss Sheima?
What are you doing?
I'm making a TikTok. But you know what? I don't have it on my phone yet, but I saw that there are these quick videos. And that's how you tick and talk. So I'm in my studio here and I'm TikToking, see me? Now I just gotta get it on my phone somehow. Oh, Sheima, it's not there. But I don't understand. Now, Miss Sheima, I did all of the TikTok things, but it doesn't show up on my phone.
Well, because you need to download the app and then you can have it in your phone. Do you have the app in your phone?
No way. What's an app? I don't know. I don't have a TikTok app. But I saw it. I saw a TikToker on my Facebook. I do have Facebook. That's where I put our lessons for positive actions. But I don't have a TikTok app. Oh no. You know what? You know what, Super Scholars? Mrs. Hott needs some knowledge. What do you think, Miss Sheima? Can you share some knowledge with me to help me do this?
Oh, wait a minute, Mrs. Hott, knowledge? What is the meaning of knowledge? What knowledge means?
Oh, well, it's what I don't have about a TikTok right now. Knowledge is this. Knowledge means facts, information, or skills that you can receive through education or experience or by doing something. That's what knowledge is. And you know this TikTok stuff, Mrs. Hott, see my gray hair? I'm pretty old and I need help. I need some knowledge. Could you share some knowledge on how to put TikTok on my phone? Because I thought I would do a dance and it's just not working. See? It's not there.
Well, Mrs. Hott, just be patient and calm down. I will help you. It's just easy, but it's good you start asking somebody when you don't have information, when you don't have knowledge about something. You did a really good start. Asking somebody that's around you maybe can help you. Well, I will help you, Mrs. Hott. Don't worry. Just be patient. Breathe, and I'm here with you.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. Good morning, Possum Partners and Super Scholars. Mrs. Hott with...
Hi, this is Sheima.
And we are so excited to join you for our weekly Positive Action virtual lesson. We welcome you, students, whether you are in the classroom, maybe you're home for remote school or virtual academy, or you could be joining us from the neighborhood around West Virginia or beyond. The Morgan County Partnership welcomes you, and we're happy that you're here with us for Positive Values Network. Let's get started. All right, Miss Sheima, here's what we're going to do today. It's time for Positive Values Network News. Today for Positive Value virtual lesson, then we're going to talk about it. Then we're going to look at some positive actions that you can do. After that, we have an awesome creative activity that's good for your wellness. And then Miss Sheima's going to help us in Spanish. Are you ready, Miss Sheima?
I am ready, Mrs. Hott.
Are you ready, students? All right, let's get started. Watch this. good idea. Wait, so you told me I needed to calm down. You're so funny. But you're right. Sometimes I get frustrated. You know what? Sometimes I get frustrated when I don't know something because I want to know it right away. And I wanted that TikToker to be on my phone. So I'm calm and I'm ready to get more knowledge. Look what I have. I have my brain. So, Super Scholars, knowledge. There are great ways that you can find knowledge. So let's see if Miss Sheima can help us put knowledge in Mrs. Hott's brain about how to make a TikTok. Now you mentioned something, Miss Sheima. You said something about putting an app on there. So I'm going to do that now. Wait, Sheima, is this it? Wait. Look!
Yeah, that is TikTok, Mrs. Hott.
Oh, so that's the first step, getting the app, right? So from there, we have an app, and that's now on my phone, and Mrs. Hott can learn how to make a TikTok. What should I do next, Miss Sheima?
Well, maybe next you can see another people, or you can search information, knowledge. You can search some knowledge maybe in books or talking with another person about TikTok. They can show you about it. So you said, I told you, you can ask somebody, talking with somebody. You can read about TikTok, maybe Google it. You can read about it.
Okay.
Next, you can watch another TikToks, like how they make the video. Watch another people.
Like this, Miss Sheima? So if I go here, put that one up, I can watch different videos. Look, it's working. I'm getting some knowledge. Okay, so I can ask, I can read, I can listen, and I can watch. Now, Miss Sheima, how do I put a video on there? Will you help me with that?
Oh, sure. It's super easy. I will help you.
Mrs. Hott asked Miss Sheima for help. Then I read about how to load a TikTok. Then I watched some samples. And then I learned from Miss Sheima and watched this great video she showed me how to make for our new TikTok channel. Check it out.
Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. I can move the mountains with it. To the hour. I'm learning and it's burning with it. Knowledge is power. I can move.
Thank you, Miss Sheima, for sharing some knowledge on how to make a video on TikTok. And to find our positivevaluesnetwork.com, go to TikTok here or to our Instagram page at positiveactions.mcp. We'll see you there.
If you're an elementary student, ask your mom and dad if they have TikTok or your siblings, and check out the new TikTok Miss Sheima shared her knowledge with me, because it has how to say knowledge in Spanish too. It's pretty cool. Watch this video here. Hello, Miss Sheima, Miss Hott.
Hi, Perry! Woo, Perry!
Oh, Perry! Where's Perry? Well, he's right here today. Hi, Perry. Hi, boys and girls. Hi! Hi, Miss Sheima. Wow! Thanks so much for telling Mrs. Hott how to make a TikTok. Mrs. Hott? Yes, Perry? Do you know what you're doing now? Well, Perry, I'm a little bit nervous about it. Actually, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I know my knowledge will grow, and Miss Sheima's going to help me. Right, Miss Sheima?
For sure, Mrs. Hott.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Mrs. Hott, here's what we want you to remember. Oh, okay. There are some positive actions to help build intellectual wellness using the word knowledge. Number 1. Do you remember what it was, Mrs. Hott? Oh, I do. Miss Sheima said number 1 to ask. And I asked her for some help on how to make a TikTok. That's right, Mrs. Hott. What's number 2? Let me see. Number 2 was to read. Yes, I had to read how to put an app on my phone. Yeah, Mrs. Hott, that's really easy, you know. Yeah, I know, but I'm learning, okay? Number 3. What was number 3? Oh, number 3 is to listen. Right, Mrs. Hott? You had to listen to Miss Sheima, right? Yes, I do. And you know what? Listening to others is a positive action. That's how we learn and we get more knowledge. And I want you to remember this, Super Scholars. Listening to others sometimes requires what? For Hott. You have to stop talking, right? You have to stop talking, right? So you can hear what that other person is saying. And number 4, I think it was 4, is ready? Watching! Yes, watch what's around you. Watch around you, boys and girls. Watch our YouTube videos on positive actions and learn about positive values. Now, guess what, Perry? What, Mrs. Hott? Miss Sheima and I, we have a new thing for positive actions. Oh, you do? What is it? Well, Miss Sheima just showed me how. We have a new TikTok. And guess what? What? Our Instagram? Miss Sheima's teaching me how to do that too. What? Positive action words on TikTok and Instagram? Whoa! Whoa, I want to see. Well, Perry's getting a little excited right now. Wow, Sheima. Perry's gone. He went to look for my phone so he can look up positive actions. You know what, boys and girls? Remember that. If you're out and about and you're borrowing your mom or dad's phone, go to a safe space. Come find Mrs. Hott and Miss Sheima, and we're there. And guess what we're talking about? We're talking about positive values and ways to bring our community together in a loving and caring neighborhood. Well, Super Scholars, Miss Sheima has a great positive action activity for us this week. Miss Sheima, you want to tell us about it?
Oh, for sure. For take the activity sheet, you have to go to ppn.com, and as always, you have to go on the top here on materials, click there, and you're gonna find the sheet. If you don't have a printer at home, then it's fine. Just follow along the video, and let's make beautiful origami hearts for this week. Yay! Watch this.
Woohoo! It's time for our Positive Actions activity. Are you ready? Pull the material page and print the knowledge activity for this week. Or grab a sheet of paper. You'll need a pair of scissors and cut to a square. Now on our activity page, just follow along with Miss Sheima and cut along the lines, and you'll have a square. A square is equal sides to make your origami heart, or you can cut out your own piece of paper and follow along with Miss Sheima. Are you ready? First, take the bottom corner, fold over to the top so that the color is on the outside. Open again, and then do the reverse. Take the bottom corner back to the top and make a crease. And when you open your paper, you'll see the folds make a line. Now take the bottom point and fold to the center intersection of the folds. Good job. Turn your paper and bring your bottom point to the top line as Miss Sheima does. Awesome! Now here's a tricky fold. You're going to bring the angle to the center, sort of looks like an ear, and make a crease. And if you get confused, just stop, pause, or rewind. Now take the left side to the center and crease. You're almost done. Now turn over your origami. You're going to make some more creases. First on the left, now on the right, and finally on the top, you'll fold down each point. You guys are doing a great job. Now turn over and look, an origami Hott. Thank you, Miss Sheima, for sharing some knowledge on how to make origami. Origami is an ancient Japanese skill of folding paper. We watched, we read, and we learned. That's knowledge. Now share your knowledge or share your heart with someone you care about.
Today's been fun talking about knowledge, and I want you guys to remember this, okay? You're never too young or too old to gain more knowledge, all right? And before we go, I want to learn something new today. Miss Sheima, will you please teach us how to say knowledge in Spanish?
For sure. This word in Spanish is totally different than English than other weeks. So knowledge in Spanish is conocimiento. Let's say it together. Conocimiento. Mrs. Hott and Super Skulls, I want to say something about knowledge. You always tell me, don't compare yourself with the knowledge of another person, because sometimes we're like, oh, that person knows more math than me, or that person knows English better than me, or that person knows to read better than me. That's okay. Everybody's different, everybody's unique, and that's what makes all the world beautiful, because we can learn from each other. I learned from Mrs. Hott. She teach me a lot of words in English. She teach me a lot of stuff of being positive, and I can teach her English. So it's okay to have different kind of knowledge, because that's the way to share it in our community and make a beautiful world with different knowledge.
That's really cool, Miss Sheima. You're absolutely right. When we share what we know with each other, that helps everyone, doesn't it? And thank you so much for every week sharing with us how to say our positive action word in Spanish. That's one more time.
Conocimiento.
Conocimiento. Conocimiento. And see, sometimes it takes practice. Try again. Conocimiento. Oh, that is so much fun, Sheima. I love that. Conocimiento. Now remember what Miss Sheima said. Share your knowledge. Don't compare your knowledge, right? Okay, we're all in this journey together, and trying new things, you gain knowledge all along the way that you take with you. Like Miss Sheima, she brought her knowledge all the way from Spain, and she shares it with us, and look how valuable that is. She's teaching us how to say our value words. Conocimiento. Knowledge! That's really cool. All right, boys and girls, it's time to get going. Remember this. You are unique. You are important. And you are wonderfully made. Thank you. See you next time.
As your body grows bigger,
Your mind must flower. It's great to learn, 'cause knowledge is power.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Lacey here, school-based therapist from Woodmire Elementary School. Wanted to share with you all our doodle activity for this week, including our word knowledge for the positive action word of the week. Our two quotes are knowledge is power and knowledge has a beginning but no end. So once again, I encourage you to color them, decorate them, place them in a window, give them to a neighbor, maybe even come up with your own knowledge quotes and share them with others to give them a little bit of a positive reminder that knowledge is important. You guys stay safe and healthy, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thank you.
We are so glad you joined us today from your home, your school, and our community. Estamos muy felices porque nos habéis acompañado desde vuestra escuela, vuestra casa, vuestra comunidad. Remember, you are unique, you are important, and you are wonderfully made. Recordad que sois especiales, importantes y maravillosos. This is going to be